When changing to instrument mode on an instrument track, the plugin window opens up. If you'd like to hide it again, press the View button. In instrument mode, the track buttons now step through every track in your song, regardless of whether the track has an associated channel or not. For StudioOne's built-in instruments, the 8 encoders are now pre-assigned to relevant parameters. With Impact XT, this is true for each pad. Activate pad focus, play any pad, and instantly control their settings from the hardware. The fader section is now assigned to control envelopes. To see their assignments on the display, simply click the Fader 9 button to toggle panorama between encoder and fader view. Fader 9 always controls the instrument level. You have 2 options to assign parameters. You can learn them to a map, or use E1 Auto to instantly control any parameter without changing a map. Here's how. Click Setup and E1 Auto to activate. And now, simply click on any parameter you want to control. A quick note, StudioOne's mouseover feature only works with internal plugins. For external plugins, you always have to click, regardless of your parameter field settings. If you like to create your own map, make sure the instrument window is open and that the correct instrument tab is selected. Also, ensure that Panorama is the selected control surface in the plugin. Now, move the rotary control you want to reassign. Next, use the mouse to move the plugin parameter that you want mapped to that hardware control. Press the Setup button to reveal the Learn function. Press Learn, and done. Now the parameter is assigned. And you just repeat these steps for the next parameter. Insert plugins can also be mapped and controlled when they are in focus, using this method. Mapped parameters are automatically recalled every time a mapped plugin is in focus. You can also browse patches for any built-in plugin using the patch buttons below the display screen. For external plugins, this is only supported when their patches are saved in StudioOne's browser. Please note that the patch buttons only work when a plugin is hosted directly on a track, not when you create instruments in StudioOne's VST rack. If you like deep plugin controls also using Panorama's direct access buttons, use Nektar. Then you can control complex synth plugins such as Repro 5 or Serum with the true hardware synth feel. This introduction got you going with Nektar DAW integration for StudioOne? Thanks for watching.